guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shiana. On this channel I do all types of hair, makeup, and fashion videos, so if you are interested in that, then make sure you hit that big old red subscribe button and join the fam. For today's video, I recorded this kind of gold shimmery smoky eyeliner look. If you're interested in seeing how I did this tutorial, then just keep on watching. I have like this really cute Y2K baby fat shirt that's like inspired this look, so we gonna get started and get into it. It's kind of like this greenish shimmer gold zebra print stripe. I don't think I want this to be a full talk through video, so I'm gonna just go ahead and hop into it. Alright, so first we're using the Milk Hydrogrip face primer. I just used about a pump to a pump and a half each time, and I just rub that all in over my face. And then next I take my Juvias Place foundation stick in, I'm not sure the shade, but I will link it down below. But I'm using this to color correct and kind of even out my skin tone. For foundation, I'm using the Pretty Fresh from Colourpop in the shade 147. This is also a medium coverage foundation, so I typically use about a pump to 2 pumps. Now for concealer, I missed the clip of the beginning. I don't know why I didn't add it, but I used my Juvias Place in the shade 13 and 17. 13 was in the center and 17 was around the rest of my face. Now I'm just taking my Juvias Place, another foundation stick in Benin is the shade of this one, and I just blended all of that out. I'm sorry I didn't get that clip either. I don't know what happened to that footage, but as you can see, I'm just blending out my nose contour. Okay, so once I am done blending everything out, I take my beauty blender and I literally just run it over my entire face to just mesh everything together. Here I'm using my Mercier translucent honey setting powder, and I like to take a little bit first and just kind of blend and set the center of my face, which is like just the T-zone area, and then I'll take my sheer perfecting powder, the Candleglow in shade 4 I believe, and I'll take that around my contoured areas to set. Moving on to brows, I'm using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm just using this to outline and kind of define my brows so that way it still looks natural, but it does look filled in. Okay, so now I'm just priming my lids with a little bit of concealer before I put my eyeshadow on. So the palette we're using for today's look is the Carli Bybel from Anastasia, and I'm just taking my first shade and applying this into my crease as my transition color. Now I'm taking this bronzy goldish shade and I'm putting this all over my lid with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm taking this lighter champagne shade and I'm putting this in the inner corner of my eye with a Morphe 507 brush. Eyeliner, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Kohl gel liner first, and I'm applying this as my kind of guide and acting base for my smoke liner. So now I'm just taking a thin eyeliner brush and just smoking the liner out. And I take that same brush with this Mercier Tightline powder liner in black ebony, and I just top it off with that. Now using that same eyeliner, I'm just smoking it out into my waterline. Okay, here I am prepping my lashes with my new Idole mascara, which I absolutely love. It's from Lancôme, but I'm just prepping my lashes for my falsies. I'm using, I believe, velour lashes. Don't quote me, I can't remember if they're velour or Miami because they weren't in their box, but they're both really good lashes. Now I'm moving on to my blush. This is the Morphe Totally Tan palette, and I just use a little bit of the blush from the palette as well as the highlighter. Moving on to my lips, I'm using my tinted lip balm from Benefit. This is the Cha Cha tint. And I just use this to prep my lips. In that same eyeliner, I'm using it for a lip liner, and I'm just outlining my lips to do my nice deep chocolate Bratz Barbie 90s lip, I guess is what you can call it. I really don't know. It has so many categories it could be in, but it's really my new favorite lip now. Alright, and lastly, to top off my lips, I'm using my e.l.f. Plumping Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam, and I'm just rubbing this all in and kind of making sure I'm blending out the lip liner. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Tell me what you think. I want to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. If you haven't, make sure you are subscribed, and also follow me on Instagram to keep up with me. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.